In the conference room, an intense hush fell over the table as the project engineering team prepared to make a critical decision for the next stage of their aerospace prototype. Over the past several weeks, the group had evaluated countless components, painstakingly cross-checking every electrical characteristic and mechanical margin. At the center of this technical debate, the selection of the ideal electrical connectors, tiny but remarkably crucial links in any mission-critical system. Project lead Kim, known for her precision and thorough documentation, began the meeting with a focused question. Our objective is to ensure reliability under vibration, temperature fluctuation, and rapid aircraft maneuvers. Have we sufficiently compared the DEUTSCH connectors M83513/03 F08C and the T connectivity MCKS-C2-B-37P5L5 2-153218-4-4? The DEUTSCH M83513/03 F08C meets MIL, DTL 83513 standards, which means it's qualified for airborne, space, and military applications. These connectors have rugged metal shells, reliable contacts, and double the insulation resistance of similar products. Plus, Deutsch's manufacturing includes extensive lot tracking and traceability, a major benefit for our compliance requirements. T Connectivity's MCKS-C2-B-37P5L5 has not only been consistently available, but also is part of a longer roadmap for a new, compatible range. The 2-153218-4 variant offers 37 contacts, plenty for our signal and low-power demands. It's lightweight, uses high-temperature plastics, and offers quick mounting cages. However, its environmental ratings are strictly defined, so we need to ensure those align precisely with specs. Kim asked the reliability engineer, Alex, to share his insight. I ran a direct risk analysis, he announced. The DEUTSCH meets wider temperature tolerances and has a longer tested mating cycle count. However, the T connectivity product excels in vibration resistance according to their published lab tests. Either would be robust, but the decision comes down to our worst-case scenario projections. Kim then facilitated a review of the technical datasheets, compliance logs, and historical supplier performance. Several graphs and test records appeared on the large display, prompting a rapid-fire exchange of questions and clarifications on insulation resistance, current rating, size, and modularity. What about the weight? Asked Jonas. Is our design better served by the lighter T connectivity connector, or does the Deutsch's slightly heavier build offer measurable advantages in shielding and EMI protection? Priya replied, the margin is slim, but the Deutsch's metal shell contributes to EMI mitigation, especially important for avionics in tight bays. However, for the secondary control housing, the T part size and weight are perfect. As the discussion wound down, Kim summarized, in the primary avionics bay, the DEUTSCH M83513/03 F08C meets or exceeds every reliability and compliance criterion at a modest weight cost. For secondary or lower priority circuit runs, T Connectivity's MCKS-C2-B-37P5L5 and 2-153218-4- for offer excellent performance and a robust cost and supply position. The final decision was logged, responsibilities assigned, and the room dispersed. In the world of aerospace and defense, the right connector decision is not just about parts, it's about performance, safety, cost, and assurance. The team's rigorous process ensured these tiny components would keep their next flying prototype safe and connected, high above the clouds.